So good morning student. Now we are going to solve question number 21 of exercise 2e. So here the question is saying find the least number divisible by 15, 20, 24, 32 and 33. So we have to find out the least number. The given number are these. The smallest number divisible by the number given above will be their LCM. So here we have to find out the LCM of these number. So to find out the LCM, I have already told you we have to write all the number like this, and you have to find the factor of all the number. After finding out the factor, you have to multiply these number and you will get the LCM. So this is how you will find out the. I have already told you one thing more, that in all the question you have to find out the LCM. Find the least number which when divided by 25, 40 and 60 leaves 9 as a remainder in each case. So when we were finding out the SCF, we were subtracting the remainder from all the number, but in this question, because we have to find out the LCM, so here the method is same. First you will find out the LCM of all these numbers, and then in the LCM you will add 9, and in SCF we were subtracting before finding out the factor. We were subtracting the remainder from all the number. Here first you will find out the LCM, then you will add 9 means remainder in LCM. So first you will find out the LCM of all these number, you will get the answer 600. Now you will add 9 in these number and you will get 609. So this is the number. Find the least number of 5 digit that is exactly divisible by 16, 18, 24 and 30. So you have to find out the least number of 5 digit which is divisible by these 4 numbers. So first we will find out the LCM. After finding out the LCM, we are getting the answer 720. So we have to find the least 5 digit number that is exactly divisible by this number, and the LCM of this number is 720, is a 3 digit number, and we have to find out the 5 digit number. So the smallest 5 digit number is this 10,000, and we are getting the LCM 720. So now we have to divide the least 5 digit number by 720, which is the LCM of these 4 numbers. Now after dividing, we are getting the answer 13 here and 640 in the remainder. So now what we can do, the greatest 4 digit number exactly divisible by 720 means first we have to subtract 640 from 10,000. We are getting the answer 9,360. So this is the greatest 4 digit number exactly divisible by 720. Now so the least 5 digit number. So to find out the 5 digit number, this is simple, that we have to add this number in 720. So 9,360 plus 720, and we are getting the answer 10,080. So this is the smallest 5 digit number which can be divided by those 4 numbers. So this is how you will find out this answer. So in question number 24, find the greatest number of 5 digit exactly divisible by. So the question is same as question number 23. So I am not explaining this question because the method is same. Here 3 balls, 3 wells toll at the interval of 9, 12 and 15 minutes. If they start tolling together, after what time will they next toll together? So 3 wells are there and they toll after 9, 12 and 15 minutes of interval. If they toll together, so after how long they will toll together? 3 wells toll in the interval of 9, 12, 15. The time when they will toll together again is given by LCM. So we have to find out the LCM of these 3 numbers. So after finding out the LCM, we are getting the answer 180. So this is in minutes, so you have to convert A into hours. So we have to divide this by 60, and here we are getting 3 hours, means all 3 will toll again after 3 hours. So in all the question you have to find out the LCM. So 3 boys step off together from the same place if their step measure 36 cm, 48 cm and 54 cm. At what distance from the starting point will they again step together? So three boys start walking from the starting place, and they walk 36 centimeter, 48 centimeter, and 54 centimeter. At what distance from the starting point will they again step together? So we have to find out the distance from the starting point, from where they will start their journey again together. So to find out this, we have to find out the LCM of these numbers. So to find out the LCM, the method is same. Here we are getting the answer that 432 is the answer, and this is in centimeter because the question number are in centimeters. So after walking 432 centimeter from the starting point, they will start walking again together. So this is how you will solve these questions. So after solving till question number 26, we will start our next question. If you are having any problem in this question, so you may ask